Hey, this is Daniel Norton. I'm here with the brand new Fujifilm GF 45 to 100 millimeter zoom lens for their medium format system. This is going to be a great lens for people that want to go on location with a single lens and get all kinds of shots. So Fujifilm keeps making medium format easier and easier to take on location with you. With 100 millimeters in a tiny body like this and a zoom lens, I'm able to throw it in my backpack, go on location here. This gives me an equivalent of kind of your standard medium zoom in most people are using on full frame cameras, so you can get the nice wide shots and also come in and get nice tight shots on your model as well. 45 to 100 millimeters on these cameras will give you the equivalent of 36 to 79 millimeters in full frame. So this lens is super sharp. It's got image stabilization, so you can just kind of walk around with it, or we can use it with a flash like I'm doing here today. So this is a great versatile lens. It's going to be good for portraits, it's going to be good for landscapes, and it's going to be good for when you want to just bring one lens with you and you're not exactly sure what you're going to need. You know, zoom lenses for medium format have traditionally been really gigantic actually, and this lens is pretty small. With the internal focusing and the way they built it, it's tough, it's sealed, and I can just throw it on my camera and be ready to go. Yes, this is really fast and quiet, this lens. You know, some lenses you can hear them grinding and stuff, but this lens is super quiet to use. You almost don't know that it's in focus, except it's just boom, it's there. Got eyes up, cool. Now I'm gonna zoom in. Since I have the zoom here, I'm gonna switch to 100 and I'm gonna come in and do some nice shots of your face. That was a super fun shoot. I love that Fujifilm keeps adding more and more lenses to their large format lineup. They had the 45 before, they had the nice long, fast lens before. Putting these two together makes a single lens that I can run around with. That's great for people like me that want to just have a simple kit on location with the highest quality. So I want to thank Fujifilm for letting me borrow the lens. Definitely going to want to use it some more, see what else we can do with it. Make sure you subscribe to Adorama TV for more videos like this. Ring the bell so you get notifications, and I'll see you next time.